Putri. My student ID is 25610295. Okay, so in this video, I'll be presenting my machine learning final project on mall customer segmentation using the K-means clustering algorithm.
What?
First, I will tell you the main goal of my final project is to group customer based on their annual income and spending score. It's for helping the marketing team design targeted and effective business strategies.
Woo!
Okay, so let's just start it. As you guys can see, first, to keep the code base modular and organized, I split the project into two Python files, utils.py and main.py. So first, utils.py, this file serves as our helper module. It contains utility function like a toolkit that execute whenever they are called by main.py. So let me explain. First, we import matplotlib. Import matplotlib to generate visualization and graph. We import pandas to read, manage, and process tabular dataset files, and import K-means algorithm from the scikit-learn machine learning library. So first step, after import the library, we need to load the dataset from the specific path and convert it into a pandas data frame. Next is pre-process data. So in this step, I select all rows specifically for column index 3, which is annual income, and index 4, spending score, and convert the pandas data frame into a NumPy matrix array that's saved in X, so it can be processed mathematically by K-means. Okay, next is save elbow plot. So in this step, I first initialize an empty list to hold the within cluster sum of square or WCSS values measuring clustering variance, and then loops through cluster size from 1 to 10. Then test K-means using iCluster, and then uses smart centroid initialization to speed up model convergence, and set a fixed to ensure calculations are identical every time the script runs, and fit the K-means algorithm using dataset X, and the last is appends the inertia score for each K to our WCSS list. Okay, next. In this step is plot a dash blue line graph with circle data point labels the X, and save the image to output, and close the plot canvas to free system memory. Okay, this. So in this step, I define 5 distinct colors and matching descriptive legend labels for each customer segment. This loops through each cluster and renders scatter plot points for customer on the X is annual income and Y is spending score using their assigned cluster color. This one is retrieve the coordinate location for all 5 cluster centroid and render centroid as larger yellow markers with black borders. Okay. Last one is set title and axis label. Place the legend box outside the plot area cleans up spacing and save the figure to output. Okay, the util.py is finished, and then let's move to main.py. So main.py acts as our main pipeline execution script, running helper function from utilize.py step by step. First, we'll import our custom utils.py module along with the k-means from scikit-learn. Then this is the header or the headline. As you guys can see, I already write the comment. So this step is load data, defines the dataset file path, and call utilize.load_data to read the CSV into memory. Then preprocess data, execute feature extraction using utilize.preprocess data to retrieve annual income and spending score features into metric X. Then save elbow method plot. This step is called utils.save elbow plot to calculate and generate the elbow method paragraph. Then next step is we train k-means model. So in this step, first we set our target cluster count to 5, and then fits the k-means model on dataset X and assigns each customer's a cluster label like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the cluster assigns are stored in y_k-means. Then save clustering plot. This is pass filter data X cluster labels y_k-means and fit model and fitted model k-means into utils.save cluster plot to render and save the final scatter plot. Then this one, the step. Okay, so the last step is opens or create analyst_result.txt inside the output folder in write mode, and then automatically writes out the analyze report text line by line into the text file. Okay, so the main PY is finished. Let's move on to terminal. First, we need to open the folder. Okay, and then we run project using Python 3 main.py. Okay, the process completes successfully. So let's move on to Visual Studio Code, the output folder. Okay, here in, as you guys can see, output folder, there is elbow_plot.png. Okay, as you guys can see, the pipeline runs smoothly. To select the right number of cluster key, we use the elbow method here. Looking at this elbow plot, there's are distinct band at k equals 5. Beyond point 5, the drop in WCSS slowed down significantly. This indicates that 5 is the optimal numbers of cluster for our dataset. Then this output graph. Here is our scatter plot showing the 5 customer segment. Cluster 1 average, medium income, medium spending. Cluster 2 target or high rollers, high income, high spending. Cluster 3 inclusive, low income, high spending. Cluster 4 frugal or saver, high income, low spending. Cluster 5 sensible or budget, low income, low spending. So and then the yellow star and the yellow circles marks the centroid location for each cluster. Okay, I think that's it. So the conclusion of my final project is by applying K-means clustering, we can segment customer based on real behavior data rather than board assumption. This allows marketing teams to allocate their budget efficiently and deliver relevant promotion to each group. So I think that's it for my final project presentation. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.